Hi guys! So today we will unbox the HelloFresh box that I got. So my friend sent my email for the referral. Is that referral or something? But she put my email in and then I got this for free. So but I did sign up for HelloFresh, but this first box is for free. So I'll show you guys what it looks like and if it's really fresh. So this is the first recipe. I think this is called this one. So they will send you each recipe. So that's one. I will get one. And then there's another one somewhere. And this one. There's actually 3 recipes all up. So I don't know where I put the other one, but this one contains a salad, this one a pasta, a Filipina pasta. It's got 2 apples, which is really fresh. I would say it's really fresh. It's really fresh apples. Zucchini, it's fresh zucchini. It's got some seasoning, chili flakes, garlic and herb seasoning. So it's got 3 for that, and then it's got dressing, Italian dressing. So that's the first one. The second box, I got 3. So this is the second one. It's got a burger bun, 4 pieces, a very fresh spinach. It is actually really fresh. It looks really fresh. And then I got some pear. I got some onion and tomato. So this comes with a recipe as well. So breadcrumbs. It's got some herbs, Italian herbs, 2 pieces, and a garlic. So that's the second one. And then let's put this down, shall we? It's heavy. So this is a meal kit. So that's 1 meal kit. Add 1, and then the next one. So this one, I think this is the one with this. So it comes with the recipe in the back. Very easy. So this one's got some crispy shallots, 2 carrots, which is really fresh. I would say it's super fresh. Bok choy. I got some breadcrumbs, 1 cup. So it's all measured and everything. They got fresh beans, green beans, jasmine rice, 3/4 cup, and then breadcrumbs, jasmine rice, shallots, lemon, and a lot of garlic. So yeah, all the ingredients are here. Now let's have a look at the cool pack. So that is the recipe pack. So you will just have the full pack in the separate bag. So it's here. So all the meat is here inside. So it's got beef minced, bacon, chicken, breast fillet, 680 grams. And this one is basil pesto. This one is dill and parsley mayonnaise, garlic aioli for the sauce. This one's parmesan. This one's parmesan cheese. This is oyster sauce. Oyster sauce, shredded cheese, and this is cream, cooking cream. So yes, that's all. So that is all the ingredients. I show you closer, guys. Okay. So this is all the meat. The cold section where all you can use. That's meal kit number 1. This meal kit number 2. It's got some buns in there and onions. And this is meal kit number 3. Silly with that and that one. So these are all the ingredients. So yeah, you got that, and then you got all the ingredients there, and then the recipe is in the back. So yeah. So this is the second one, cheesy beef burgers. Recipe in the back. Very easy. And then the next one is this quick pesto bacon fusilli. The recipe is there and the ingredients in the back. So that is so easy. So you will just follow the recipes in the back, and you have all the ingredients in here. Start cooking. So tonight, guys, we are trying to cook not that one, this one. So very easy. Here we are. Let's get cooking. So we got our patties ready.
Can you find the end one?